Standard 6th, Subject English, Unit 1. Poem Don't Give Up, written by Phoebe Carey. Welcome students. I hope you all are secure and taking care of yourself. I know you like to enjoy these holidays with the new learning methods by using new technology. So, let's see the aims of the poem. First, to understand the given content. Second, from this poem, you will learn to make connections between our life and the poem. Third, you will understand the value of greet. Fourth, to identify the rhyming words. Students, let's take out your notebooks and note down the glossary words and its meanings. Give up means stop trying. Sturdy means strong and healthy. Laughter means taller and stronger. Beat means here to win. Now, read the poem aloud at home. You will come to know the poet simply encourages us to keep on trying with various examples. Let's start the poem stanza-wise. First stanza, the poet encourages us not to give up. She says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeeded, we should not stop to try. All great and good things have been done just by keeping on trying patiently. Second stanza tells about the young birds. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and the next time they try to fly, they can keep up a little longer than before, and at last they learn to fly high in the sky. The third stanza is about the strong oak tree. It has been bent by many stormy winds, but has risen again, grown taller, stronger, and prouder. The tree tells us to stand straight in all the difficulties of life. Fourth stanza, the poet warns us that no one will value us if we win when we do something that is easy. At last, I would like to tell you, students, that you may be performing many activities, but you should not give up in middle. You should keep on trying to do the best, and also you should attempt something that is difficult, because gaining victory from defeat is something that is more treasured and appreciated. So don't give up easily. Gain victory. Okay, it's time to learn rhyming words. So copy these rhyming words in your notebook. 1. Done, crying, trying, stronger, longer, known, grown, beat, defeat. I hope the particular which is explained above will help you in understanding the poem. So always remember, victory is not always winning the battle, but rising every time you fall. Students, just now we had learned first poem, Don't Give Up. Watch the poem and related videos carefully from Diksha app and solve the given worksheet attached. Thank you.